Burning Man meaning Burning Man is an annual event held in Nevada's Black Rock Desert where people come together for 9 days to celebrate artistic self-expression and the creation of a self-sufficient community. It's widely regarded as a bizarre desert counterculture gathering. Sculptures and other art installations, as well as odd, art-inspired vehicles and buildings, are noted for their demonstrations of inventiveness and self-expression at the event. The avoidance of any exchange of currency is a key component of Burning Man culture, with guests instead engaged in trade, borrowing, and bartering. Burning Man is typically linked with its more hedonistic aspects, such as drug use, nudity, and sex, in popular perception. The term Burning Man comes from the huge, human-shaped sculpture, dubbed the Man, that is torched at the event's conclusion. Every year, the sculpture is replaced. Black Rock City is the city-like encampment that is established during each event.